Spell and Grammar Check. Spelling and grammar check is an important feature of Word that helps to check the spelling and grammar in the document. After finishing typing work, we can check our mistakes using Spell and Grammar Check and correct those mistakes. Steps to check spell and grammar. Select the text on which you want to apply Spell and Check feature. Click on the option Spelling and Grammar Check. It will show you the suggested words. You can choose one of the words shown in the window and click on Change. At times, the word shown as an error is correct but not available in the dictionary of the word processor. We can add that word to the dictionary or we can ignore it if we don't want to change it. We can check for the grammatical mistakes also in the same way. The incorrect spelling shows a red line and grammatical mistakes shows a green line.